Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 212 Science and Technology question paper of February 2021. This question paper consists of 30 questions, maximum marks is 85 and passing marks is 25. Time duration is 2.5 hours. All questions are compulsory. 1. Which one of the following is an alloy? B. 18 karat gold. 2. The people living in countries near Arctic and Antarctic region are found to suffer more from skin cancer because of B. Exposure of higher level of ultraviolet radiations. 3. Sodium is less metallic than potassium because B. Tendency to lose electron by potassium atom is more than that of sodium atom. 4. When some dust particles fall into our eye during dust storm, there is immediate flushing of tears from our eyes to wash them out. This reaction is controlled by a spinal cord. 5. Which of the following particles for growing crop is not part of crop rotation method? D. Leguminous crop is grown between two grain crops. 6. To protect tooth decay, you are advised to brush your teeth regularly to prevent A. Bacteria eating tooth enamel. 7. The characteristic of diamond which makes it very brilliant when it is properly cut and polished is D. High refractive index. 8. Which one of the following is the most important advantage of having 8 tires instead of usual 4 tires in a truck carrying heavy loads? B. To decrease the pressure of load on the ground. 9. A uniform wire of 48 omega is cut into 4 equal parts. The equivalent resistance of their parallel combination will be A. 3 omega. 10. Name the kingdom of life to which mushroom belongs. State 2 features of this kingdom. Kingdom 3. Name fungi. Features: eukaryotes, multi-celled, septotrophs. 11. What is the gene combination which result in the formation of blood group required in the following cases? 1. Safest blood group for donation to accident victim of an unknown blood group. 2. A person with blood group who can receive blood from any of the 4 blood groups. 1. O, 2. A, B. 12. A child is not likely to suffer from the disease mumps in future if he has already suffered from this disease in the past. Explain. Because child developed antibodies against disease mumps. Antibodies remember and recognize the ineffective agents that have one attacked the body and recognize and kill them when they enter the body again. Body acquire immunity against disease mumps. 13. State Archimedes principle. What is the condition for flotation of a body in a liquid? When body is immersed fully or partially in a liquid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displayed by it. From Archimedes' principle, it is clear that the magnitude of buoyant force acting on a body at a given place depends upon density of the fluid and volume of the body immersed in the fluid. 14. Why are nuclear power plant being preferred over fossil fuel based power plant? Give 2 reasons. Unlike fossil fuels, the nuclear fuel used in nuclear power stations do not burn, hence no waste gases are produced. Small amount fuel materials yield huge amount of energy. 15. It is advisable to store fried snack in an airtight container in order to maintain their good taste and smell for long time. Explain. If food is not kept in airtight container, their smell and taste will change. Keeping food in the airtight container helps to slow down the oxidation process. So for chips like substances, manufacturer usually flushes bag of chips with a gas such as nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting oxidized. 16. Draw a ray diagram to explain formation of small and erect image of vehicles coming from behind by the rear view mirror of a car. 1. It always forms a virtual erect and diminished image. 2. The field of view increase while using a convex mirror as shown. 17. A doctor found that a patient is suffering from fever, sore throat, cough, headache, running nose, sneezing, body pain and fatigue. 1. Identify the disease patient is suffering from. 2. What is the cause of this disease? 3. Is the disease communicable or non-communicable? 4. What precautions should be taken to prevent the disease? 1. Influenza flu. 2. The flu is caused by influenza virus through direct or indirect contact to including infected droplets. 3. Communicable disease. 4. The infected person should cover their mouth and nose when they cough and sneeze. Avoid public place. Vaccination. 18a. What a derived unit? Name the physical quantity whose derived unit is S minus 1. Write the special name assigned to this derived unit. B. Derive the SI unit of force in term of base units. Derived unit. The base or fundamental SI units like length, mass, time, etc. are independent of each other. The SI units for all other physical quantities such as area, density, velocity can be derived in terms of the base SI units and are called derived unit. Physical quantity, frequency, special name, hertz. 18b answer. Pause the video and see the answer. 19. What is meant by heterogeneous mixture? Name any 3 types of heterogeneous mixtures. Write one example of each. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture where the substances remain separate and composition is not uniform. 3 types of heterogeneous mixture. 1. Suspension. Example, fluorine water. Gel, fruit jelly. Emulsion, milk. 20. Draw a diagram of sectional view of human brain. Name and label its following parts. 1. Whose infection causes the disease? Meningitis. 2. Which controls beating of heart? 3. Which coordinates muscular movements properly? 4. Which help us to memorize facts and figures. Pause the video and see the answer. 21a. Explain why fishes living in a lake of very cold region do not die despite freezing of lake during extreme winter. B. Explain why some people find their nose bleeding in hilly region at high altitudes. When it is extreme cold, the temperature of water in ponds and lakes start falling. On getting colder, water becomes denser and it goes down. To replace it, the warmer water from below rises up. However, it happens so till the temperature of water at the bottom of the pond becomes 4 degrees C. Once ice is formed on water surface, it floats due to low density, and as ice is bad conductor of heat, the rate of loss of heat decreases with increasing thickness. So temperature of water at lower levels remain at 4 degrees C for sufficiently long duration, and that is why fishes can survive. It is because the blood pressure in blood vessels of the body is much more than the air pressure at high altitude, so the capillaries burst and bleeding occurs. 22. State 3 significant features of Newton's third law of motion. How does third law of motion explain walking on the surface of earth? There are 3 significant features of third law of motion. 1. We cannot say which force out of the 2 forces is the force of action and which one is the force of reaction. They are interchangeable. 2. Action and reaction always act on 2 different bodies. 3. The force of reaction appears so long as the force of action acts. Therefore, these 2 forces are simultaneous. While walking on the ground, we push the ground with our foot in the backward direction. This is the force of action. In return, the ground exerts an equal force of reaction on our foot in the forward direction. The force that actually makes us walk in the forward direction is this reaction force. 23. Differentiate between alkane and alkynes. Write the name of 1. First member of alkane series and 2. First member of alkynes. Draw their structures. The key difference between alkane and alkynes is that the alkanes have carbon double bonds, whereas the alkynes have carbon triple bonds. Both alkanes and alkynes are hydrocarbons having carbon and hydrogen atoms. There can be other substituent attached to this molecule instead of hydrogens. The simplest alkane, ethene, has 2 carbon atoms joined by a double bond. Its molecular formula is C2H4. Its structure is as shown below. The simplest alkyne is ethene and it has molecular formula C2H2. Its common name is acetylene. It is used to ripen the fruits such as banana, mango, etc. It is also used along with oxygen in oxyacetylene torch, which is used for welding purposes. Its structure is as shown below. 24. A substance X is added in the ingredients of the cake in order to make them fluffy and soft. Identify the substance X. How is X prepared? How does it make a cake fluffy and soft? Explain. Substance X is baking soda process. In solvary process, carbon dioxide is obtained by heating lime strongly. It is then passed through cold brine which has previously been saturated with ammonia. Baking soda mixed with water, sodium hydrocarbonate reacts with tartaric acid to produce CO2 gas. CO2 gas produced gets trapped in the wet dough made for baking a cake and bubbles out slowly, and cake becomes soft and spongy. 25. Explain the following. 1. We keep soft drink bottles in a box containing ice for cooling and not water at 0 degrees C. 2. Mercury is used in clinical thermometer instead of other liquids. A bottle of soft drink cools faster when surrounded by ice cubes than by ice cold water because 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees C takes 336 J of heat energy from the soft drink to melt into water at 0 degrees C. Thus, the soft drink loses an additional 336 J of heat energy for 1 gram ice at 0 degrees C than for 1 gram ice cold water at 0 degrees C. Therefore, cooling produced by 1 gram ice at 0 degrees C is more than that by 1 gram water at 0 degrees C. Mercury expands uniformly when heated. It has a high boiling point 357 degrees C and low freezing point minus 39 degrees C. It is good conductor of heat. It does not stick to the walls of the glass tube. It is opaque and shining and hence clearly visible. 26.1. A glass tumbler contains 19 gram of pure water. Calculate the number of molecules of water present in it. 2. Nitrogen forms 3 oxide NO, NO2 and N2O3 on reacting with oxygen, so that these reactions obey law of multiple proportions. Pause the video and see the answer. According to the law of multiple proportions, the mass of an element combined with the fixed mass of another element should have whole number ratio. Because the ratio of the masses of oxygen turned out to be whole number ratios, then it shows that NO, NO2 and N2O3 follow the law of multiple proportions. So the NO, NO2 and N2O3 that had fixed mass and they are multiple proportions. 27a. Explain two ways of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in nitrogen cycle. B. Differentiate between nitrogen assimilation and ammonification. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation. During lightning, the high temperatures and pressure created in the air convert nitrogen into oxides of nitrogen. 2. Biological nitrogen fixation. It is done by few forms of bacteria like Azotobacter ribosum, which can convert insert nitrogen molecule into form like nitrates and nitrites, which can be taken up by the plant and used to make the required molecules. Assimilation produces large quantities of organic nitrogen, including proteins, amino acids, and nucleic acid. Ammonification is the conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia. 28. Explain the principle of working of an AC generator. Draw its level diagram. What is meant by 220 volt and 50 Hz AC? Explain. It works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Whenever a coil is rotated in a uniform magnetic field about an axis perpendicular to the field, the magnetic flux linked with coil changes and an induction EMF is set up across its ends. Pause the video and see the diagram. 50 Hz means the rotor of the generator turns 50 cycles per second. The current changes 50 times per second back and forth. Direction changes 100 times. That means the voltage changes from positive to negative and from negative to positive voltage. This process converts 50 times per second. 29a. Why is balanced diet essential for healthy living? Name the nutrients which must be part of balanced diet. Give one example of each. B. Deficiency of which specific nutrient in the diet causes the following diseases. 1. Anemia. 2. Kwashiorkor. 3. Rickets. C. Why are we advised to include raw vegetables in our diet? D. Which nutrient in our diet will not be digested if the enzyme lipase is not secreted by pancreas? A balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and low performance. Children who do not get enough healthy foods may face growth and development problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infections. Carbohydrate, rice, protein, lentils, fat, ghee, vitamins, carrots, mineral, nut, fiber, orange. 1. Anemia is caused by a lack of iron in the diet. 2. Kwashiorkor is caused by a lack of protein in the diet. 3. Ricket is caused by a lack of calcium in the diet. Eating raw vegetables gives you the most enzymes, vitamins, and minerals needs for good health. If you don't have enough lipase secreted from pancreas, your body will have trouble absorbing fat and the important fat soluble vitamins. 30. Describe the formation of ionic bond between sodium and chlorine atoms to give sodium chloride. Explain the properties of sodium chloride with respect to its electrical conductivity and boiling point. Ionic bond formation between sodium and chlorine atoms to give sodium chloride. Sodium is an excess of 1 electron to attain octet configuration. Chlorine has 1 electron less to attain octet configuration. So the excess 1 electron is transferred to a chlorine atom from sodium atom, and thus an ionic bond is formed due to the transfer of electrons. Chlorine, being a more electronegative atom than sodium, tends to attract the shared electron pair towards itself. Chlorine attained octet configuration by gaining the electron. Sodium attains octet configuration by losing the electrons. Thus, ionic solid sodium chloride is stable. Electrical conductivity. Sodium chloride does not conduct electricity in solid state but conduct electricity in molten state. Boiling point. Sodium chloride has high boiling point 1413 degrees C.